Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another trading and investing analysis video. In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at Ethereum and Bitcoin price movements, what the price is doing, as well as review our previous call, Doge 9, that did quite well, and if you invested, you would be very happy about that. And we will see if there's still time for you to get in and lock in these amazing gains. So without any further ado, let me introduce myself and let's begin. My name is Alex and I help people learn, adopt and master cryptocurrencies and NFTs and make sure to profit from them. I do daily analysis, trading videos and tutorials and much more. So with that being said and without any further ado, let's jump into today's video. Okay guys, welcome back to the charts. Right now we're starting this video with Bitcoin USDT 1 hour chart, and similarly to what we saw yesterday, the price is quite stagnant for some time now and not much price movement is going on, since it seems that is everyone shocked about what happened with FTX bankruptcy, and most of the news that you see is all about that and how people are regretting investing into it, how it was a big scam, and how bad are these people are. So it's pretty sad to see, and I'm very sorry for those people who lost money. But also what I see is that a lot of people, when everything is all right, they are pretty blind to all of that happening. And FTX was no exception. Everybody loved that guy, everybody loved that exchange. Everybody promoted them, made videos together. It was great. Now that it crashed, everybody is saying that how bad it was. So it's quite ironic. But the lesson here to take is don't ever take everything at the first appearance. So always do your own research, always make sure to pick the safest option and never be blinded by the appearances, by someone's look and how someone presents themselves, because most of the time that's all just a front that people put on, and sometimes things like that happen, and that's the case. So what we see reflected in the charts is that pretty much charts are pretty shocked for what happened, so no one is really sure where the price might be going, so everyone is staying out of trading, not buying, not selling any much more, because to be honest, for a Bitcoin, it's a pretty fair price right now, and it could be a good price to enter. And for me, that consolidation that we have for the couple of days means exactly that. However, since there's the shock about these news and possibility of maybe some other companies following the suit, like what happened when Luna collapsed, people just waiting to see if it's safe to come back into. But from what we can see and what this consolidation means is basically $16,000 to maybe even $15,000 is a good price for Bitcoin to enter for a long-term position. And what I would like to see is that if price managed to drop to $15,000, that could be actually the bottom for a Bitcoin drop, and from there we could maybe get some pull back up, or at least don't go any lower. Of course, that also depends on the financial markets in general and what S&P 500 is doing, but it seems that about this price range nobody really wants to sell anymore, and that indicates a pretty good long-term price point to enter. So from the analysis standpoint for the short-term trading, not much to say, and we have to wait for the price either to come up and break above this resistance line, or to come up, get rejected, and then enter on confirmation of the downward move and targeting around this area of 15,800. That could be a nice target area for a potential short trade. So that's it with Bitcoin. Now let's take a look at Ethereum, and Ethereum is pretty much following what Bitcoin is doing to the teeth and just waiting for the bigger price movements of the day. So there's not much to say about that, not many news are coming out about Ethereum and what's happening with that. So it will be basically influenced by what the Bitcoin price is doing. So if Bitcoin goes up, Ethereum will follow. If Bitcoin goes down, Ethereum will follow. And that's pretty much it. Now, on to the most exciting part. Yesterday we spoke about this token, which is a meme coin that was launched a couple of days ago, and Doge9. And when we spoke about it and when we made this video, it was at the lowest point for this coin, which was about 0.00000039. Now, if you watched the video and you took the advice and you entered because, like I've said, it had a great team and it seems to have good potential, you pretty much would have made already 3 times your money. So that's pretty exciting. And the good part I want to talk about, and I want to mention that I'm not being paid for talking about this token. So if anyone from the team is watching, make sure to send me some coins. I would appreciate that. But really, there's a lot of room for it to grow, and all-time high is at many zeros up. It could be 2 to 3x from where the price is right now, just to reach the first high, and potentially it could go far higher. And the team is working hard, the community is growing, so we do see a very good potential. As well as we saw in the chat group of this token that they're going to book some very big promoters as well to talk about their token. So this could mean potentially very strong moves even today or tomorrow. So if you want to follow this trade and this token, or you want to learn more about investing in trades, make sure to join our Telegram group, where we post these calls and these tokens that we find. We identify which ones are paid promotions, which ones are not, and do our own best research. So we always make sure that our community benefit from what we post. So make sure to join our free group on Telegram. Link is in the description of this video below, and potentially this could be a good entry again for this token. None of this is a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and you should never take what I'm saying here as a financial advice, but what I'm saying is that I'm doing that and I'm invested into this token a little bit, not too much. So for me, that's how I analyze it. And what you would do is you would like to do your own analysis and take many different viewpoints of how people are looking at these tokens and choose what works best for you from your experience and analysis. So never risk too much money, but putting in small amounts. And as you see, people are putting in like $5, $62, $13, 57, 6.80, and so on. So nobody is really investing that much. So you have to be safe and with these tokens. But this one seems to be doing quite well, and the team is pretty good, and they're working hard, and the community is growing. So that's a very good indication of potential future movements upwards. With that being said, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below this video, as well as follow me on social media, like this video, share it with your friends and family and your wives, husbands, and everyone else you want to benefit from it. And with that being said, talk to you tomorrow.